Salmiak has been a modern district in the context of modernization. It has undertaken a major facelift in recent times. Marina Mall is the landmark mix and development located in one of the Kuwait's main shopping district. This development is anchored by Marina Mall, a contemporary shopping mall with more than 150 shops. And Marina Crescent is a seafront component lined with international cafe and restaurants. The development extends along the seafront to include a walking pathway and 3 additional retail developments known as Marina Waves, Marina Waterfront, and Marina Walk. Decathlon brings the joy of sports to people across the world by developing innovative and affordably priced sportswear and sports equipment products.
Hi guys, sasamahan nyo ako ngayon. Nandito ako sa may Decathlon Marina Mall. So makikita nyo, papakita ko sa inyo ang iba't ibang klase ng mga gamit na pang sports na pwede nyo magamit or kapag kayo ay merong gusto bilhin. So panoorin nyo to.
So ito maganda to. Price lang. Gamit. May ano ba tawag dito? Swivel pair sinker. Ito. Merong ito. Ito yata yung kinakain ng isda kunwari pero hindi. Pameke. Ewan ko kasi hindi naman ako mangingisda so wala akong idea. Pero ito. So gloves. Para hindi masugat pag umahawak na ng mga isda. Ito, merong coat. So, yan, merong lambat. Merong PC para sa pang lagay sa pamingwit. Ito, ano ba ito? Pantusok. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Domino's Pizza is owned by Dominic DeVarty. It is a small pizza restaurant chain in Ypsilanti, Michigan, near Michigan University. On December 9, 1960, Tom Monaghan and his brother took over the operations of Dominic's Pizza in 507 Cross Street, and now it is 301 West Cross Street. And did you know that Domino's Pizza is 57 years at age?
So guys, so yun, binakita ko lang sa inyo yung highlights dun sa Marina Mall. So sana nagustuhan nyo, no? Kasi alam nyo, favorite hangout place ko yung Marina Mall, lalo na nung ako ay dalaga pa. So dun ako madalas manala. So I hope na nakatulong yung video na to, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please click the like button. And also, please click the bell button notification para lahat kayo na notify sa lahat ng mga videos na ina-upload ko. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Paalam!
We can do this together. I bet you feel better